I'm thinking to start speaking English journey, but what should I do? From where should I start? I'm a beginner and it's my dream to speak English fluently and effortlessly. Whenever I see people speaking this language effortlessly, at the time I get one question in my head. When? When will I speak this language fluently and effortlessly? Do you have this question, my friend? If you, then this video is only and only for you. First of all, let me tell you one thing, that thinking is not enough, right? We have to take action. So, are you ready to take action? If you, then you will become a fluent speaker. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. See, my friend, when I was a beginner or before I had started learning this language, I would say that I had also a dream to speak this language fluently. So, if I had only thought, would I be speaking this language fluently? No. I thought, and afterward, I decided to learn this language and I started taking action, right? In your case also, if you want to learn this language, then take action. Take your first step. Don't get fear that what will happen, A lot of people, they are wasting their life, their time, only thinking that I will do this one, I will do that one. My friend, anyone can think, but ultimately who can win? The person who take the first step, the person who does something, right? So, become doer, not only thinker. Yeah, thinking is good. We should think first of all, and afterward we should take the action accordingly. But many people, they forget to take the first step and they keep thinking in their entire life, and they waste their time and energy. So you should not become like them. My friend, I took first step. I started learning grammar. I learned tenses. Afterward, I learned how to introduce myself, and day by day I started learning, and I would say I got a lot of information. In your case also, start learning grammar if you are unaware of that thing, because a lot of people, they are good at grammar. So from where they should start? I would say that they should start from the introduction. They should introduce themselves. If no one is there, then they should start talking with trees. That's what I was doing. First of all, I talked one tree. Afterward, I was, introducing myself in front of mirror. Afterward, I started introducing in front of camera. And finally, I introduced myself in front of one unknown person over one call. In your case also, okay, you might be thinking, no, I can't do. But my friend, one day if you do for few minutes practice, afterward you will, think, oh, it was not that difficult, the way I was thinking, or it was not that much of a fearful type of work. So just take the first step, okay? And I have got a lot of comments that from where should I start? I always say, my friend, if you don't have environment, so start from learning grammar. And in grammar, not a lot. Let all the things one side, just learn tenses, and that's what I did. Just learn tenses. Afterward, start speaking little bit, and on the way, you should learn some other grammar, just like models, and conditional. So many things are there. So you should not learn everything when you are going to start your journey. Just learn tenses, and afterward learn these kinds of things on the way, and you will see that day by day your English will improve, and finally your dream of speaking this language will also come true. But my friend, if you keep thinking like the way other people they do in the world, then you won't be able to do anything. Just think little bit and take the step in any work, okay? Not only for learning this language, for doing any activity. I believe in that one. But I am also not a quick step taker, I would say. I have to also learn. So I am learning, and then I share my experience with you people, whatever I learn. So I would say that this thing I want to apply in my life also, that whatever I think, no matter I am perfect or not, I will take action. I will take first step and then see how it is going to turn out. Okay, in your case also, take action, my friend. Okay, so see, today when I came here, then I saw that wind was blowing very fast way. Still it is blowing, and before I came here, I combed my hair because I wanted to record my video, or I'm recording my video, right? So but now if you see, then my hair has got entangled. It is completely entangled. Do you know the meaning of entangled? It means that उलझे हुए. Okay, so entangle means उलझे हुए. Okay, so this is what. And let me tell you one thing about my garden. Look it behind me. Only few trees are there, not a lot, right? So day by day the number of trees are decreasing because people, they are cutting them down in order to get their home constructed. As you can see over there, one wall is visible, right? So due to increasing population, people have to get their house constructed wherever they have their land. So in my garden also, many people, they are going to get their house constructed, building constructed. But the thing is that I don't feel very happy. If a lot of trees are there, that would be great. So as you can see, earlier it was very good. Why? Because it was dense. So see, I was explaining. I didn't explain very nicely, but I did it. Whatever comes, I try to explain. Okay, I don't hesitate to make mistake. In your case also, when you are going to start to learn this language, I have one small request. Don't hesitate while making mistake in your beginning day. Okay, but once you learn this language, that time try to eliminate your mistakes. But in beginning, don't hesitate to make a lot of mistakes and try to explain the things in your words, because everyone has their unique way to explain the thing. I may have missed a lot of words, but if you are given the same environment, the same place, you may be able to explain better than me. But I am not worried about that one. Why? Because you may be far better than me. So it's my journey. Actually, my English is improving. Okay, so see, first of all, start learning this language. Second of all, I would say, don't hesitate to make mistake. Okay, mistake are the stepping stone and the signal that you are learning something. So this is what. Try to explain the things in your words and take the first step. Okay, I want to tell you one thing also, that anything in beginning seems very difficult, but if we start doing that activity, any activity, then it become habit. So once something inculcate in our habit, then my friend, we can do difficult thing also easily. Similarly, learning this language also, first day might seem very difficult, second day also it may seem very difficult, but if you keep doing, then that kind of difficulties will not hold you back. Why? Because habit matters a lot more than anything. Okay, so if you are habituated to speak this language, then you will become a fluent speaker. So try to build a habit of speaking English. Try to inculcate this habit in your daily routine. Okay, and then you will see that easily you can speak this language fluently and effortlessly. And I have already shared multiple of time that for speaking any language, we need to do learning grammar little bit, listening, reading, and talking with people, right? So this is what. As you can see, my garden, it is no longer beautiful, but it will be maybe in rainy season. See, it seems that everything has dry, but it's not like that. It's summer season, that is why. But especially today, if I talk about the weather is so good here. It's a little cloudy and wind is also blowing. So this is what I would say. I hope you are going to think, and then next you are going to take the step as soon as possible. and speak this language fluently and effortlessly. This is what I wanted to share with you, my friend. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.